Scout GPS Link, using Mapstream Maps. Scout GPS Link is a navigation app powered by your smartphone and data plan that provides turn-by-turn directions on the display audio screen. You control Scout GPS Link using the touchpad and can search for destinations by using the touchpad or voice command button on the steering wheel. To use Mapstream Maps, make sure you're connected to the car via USB. With this connection, you can view a full navigation map. From Scout GPS Link, you have the option to search by location or contact. You can either use the keyboard to type an address or use the voice command switch and speak the command.
Say an address or the name of a point of interest.
Find airports. The system may display a list of address options. Select one.
Say the list number of the one you want. Say next page for more items.
Number 1. Then the system will show a list of details and options.
Showing details for Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, DFW. You can say call, go there or add to favorites.
Go there.
Setting your destination to Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, DFW.
When using Nearby, the system will populate a list of categories and find the nearest location to you. You can search for restaurants, gas, or other categories from this list. Select a destination. The detail screen gives you the option to see the map overview, save to favorites, choose other routes, and call if the number is available. To begin navigation, select Go. Favorites will display destinations you've saved, listing them in alphabetical order. Selecting the icon in the top right corner, you can access the settings. Here you can access voice, show or hide traffic, choose map display, select to display a 3D map, a 2D map facing north, or a 2D map facing the same direction as the car. Adjust the screen between day, night, and auto. Access Scout settings, or find out about Scout. Select the X to return to the previous screen. You can zoom in and out of the map by selecting the plus and minus signs, or by pinching in on the remote touchpad to zoom out of the map, and pinching your fingers out to zoom in. The current street you're located on is displayed at the bottom of the screen. You can also explore different areas of the map by using the touchpad. Scroll over to the area you'd like to view and press on the touchpad to move the map. A recenter icon will appear at the bottom of the map. Click it to return the map to your current location. Selecting the icon in the bottom left-hand corner reveals the Home and Work buttons. Using these buttons, you can add your home and work addresses to the system. You can quickly use the touchpad to select work or home. Once selected, navigation will begin. From here, you can see the current route turn, and navigation, and view the map overview. Selecting the button below the current turn will show the full turn-by-turn list. Click it again to return to the current turn. Above is the destination detail bar. It displays the time and distance to the location in miles and minutes. When canceling route guidance, Select Yes to confirm. A Resume button will be displayed above the Home and Work buttons. Choosing it will resume route guidance, or the X will clear it. If your USB is disconnected while using MapStream Maps, the system will default to the TurnStream mode. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab, then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your Technology Quick Guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.